47.
Yes.
Lord, in this case, my Lord has granted no coercive steps earlier.
Yes.
The Lordship, in the FIR, Lordship, all sections are available except 379, Your Lordship. On the last occasion, my learned friend has filed one supplementary affidavit, supplementary counter affidavit, Your Lordship, by Your Lordship, mentioning the 4 cases, and he has alleged that I have suppressed all those 4 cases in my criminal history.
Yes.
Lordship, I have filed the reply of that, Your Lordship. Perhaps that is on the record. If that is on the record, I am also having a hard copy for my Lord's perusal.
Yes.
May I submit the hard copy, Lords?
Yes. Yes.
जी,
दे
विश्वास है?
दीजिए. What is your reply?
Yes.
बोलिए इसको, बोलिए.
With reply to the first
बोलिए इसको.
case which he has mentioned in his supplementary affidavit, paragraph 3, Kotwali PS case number 210/2013, in Lordship, that was withdrawn and that was compromised, in Lordship. And
Case is there, na? Compromised or not compromised, but
हाँ,
the case
वो
is
जो
there.
हाँ था, लेकिन वो हमको ये इतना याद भी नहीं था, बहुत पहले की बात थी.
नहीं, आपको तो याद नहीं रखना था ना. Petitioner should have disclosed it to you.
जी. Lordship, paragraph 4 of my that rejoinder, Kotwali PS case number 210/2013, Lordship, withdrawn
Yes.
and compromised. Then he has mentioned the another case, Kotwali PS case number 234/2002, Your Lordship, that is also withdrawn by the informant, Your Lordship. And the another third case, complaint case number 1495 of 2010, that was also compromised between the parties and withdrawn. Your Lordship, the another case, that is Gandhi Maidan PS case number 155/2015, that is also compromised between the parties. And all these cases filed by the family members, or by creating some false person, Your Lordship. By some false person means, Your Lordship, the person planted by the family members of
No,
this petitioner.
that is not the.
That is different
I am
thing,
not
Your
going
Lordship,
into
but all
the
has-
merit of the allegations.
Ji.
Only
But-
thing is that you had some more number of cases,
Yes.
but you did not disclose those cases.
That is there, Your Lordship, but I have, Your Lordship, raised this queries to my client also. They said कि मैम मुझे याद नहीं था, मैं भूल
How
गई.
many cases you have disclosed?
Your Lordship, from the bank official, just a moment, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I have mentioned in paragraph 3, Your Lordship.
6 cases.
3. No, 9 cases.
You have mentioned 6 cases in paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3, Your Lordship, 9 cases.
Now
And with
you are
regard-
saying 9 cases.
नहीं 9 केसेस ही पहले किया था, और अभी ये जो 4 केस ये बताए हैं. तो विद रिगार्ड टू ऑल दीज 9
हो
केसेस,
सकता है मे बी इनकरेक्ट. आप आइए पैराग्राफ 3 में.
पैराग्राफ
3 of your petition.
जी. विद रिगार्ड टू दीज इंसिडेंट, लॉर्डशिप, माय लॉर्ड हैज पास द डिटेल ऑर्डर.
Please come to paragraph.
जी. That the incident of the person is very clean. She has been made accused by her brother and his associates along with family members. Accordingly, 6 cases, namely Kadam Kuwa PS case.
6 cases आपने disclose किया ना?
Later on, Your Lordship, I have mentioned. Later on.
अच्छा.
6 cases initially filed by the family members, Your Lordship. The case numbers are mentioned here. Then, Your Lordship, after that, complaint case number 2130 under section so IPC are pending before the learned court below Patna. 3 cases are due to political and social activities, as petitioner being a social worker, and reformer participate in social and political activities, serves poor people in need by heart and soul in locality, an account of which activities, 3 other cases details are mentioned here.
So you have disclosed 6
And 3
Kadam Kuan cases and 3 other cases.
other cases, 9 cases. And with regard to
Kotwali,
all
Pir
these,
Bahur.
with regard to all these 9 cases, my lord has perused and passed a detail order. Detail order.
Yes.
Lost by the all family members. G. And later on, he has, my learned friend has raised कि ये 4 केस आए, then I have given this rejoinder, your lordship.
All right.
So, your lordship, with regard to the FIR, your lordship, there is a case and counter case between the parties, your lordship. Although I have filed the case that is Kotwali PS case number 570 of 570. Just a minute, lordship. 570 of 19, your lordship, earlier than this present FIR, your lordship. In the FIR which I have lodged against all these, all the informant and his son, your lordship, their anticipatory bail was rejected by this honorable court, which I have mentioned. In spite of this, the police in the case diary of this particular case has mentioned that the court has granted bail और उनको सारे charges exonerate कर दिया. I'm having the diary also, your lordship. On the last occasion, my lord has called for the case diary also, your lordship, in this case. From the case diary itself, your lordship, there is several things, your lordship, which says, your lordship, that from the FIR itself, it is very clear that the FIR is in 3 parts, your lordship. For the 2 parts of the FIR, your lordship, the sections labeled in the FIR, mentioned in the FIR, is bailable. And for the 1 part, your lordship, with regard to the theft of the checks, your lordship, from the reading of the entire FIR, it is evident that check number is not mentioned. Dates on the checks were not mentioned. He has labeled allegation in the FIR ki sign kiya hua check aaye aur utha ke hum chale gaye. And your lordship, I have filed the cases, your lordship, which I have mentioned through the rejoinder.
138 NI Act.
जी हमने किया हुआ है और उसमें वो डिफॉल्टर भी है, वो फरार भी है, और जो हमने जो FIR किया है उसमें आज तक उन्होंने बेल नहीं लिया है, जबकि हुजूर के द्वारा एंटिसिपेटरी उनका रिजेक्ट हो चुका है, आज तक नहीं लिया है. और हुजूर डायरी में भी हम पढ़ के सुना देते हैं, डायरी में पुलिस ने कैसे उनको बचाया है मेरे वाले केस में, यह कि श्रीमती रेखा मोदी द्वारा किए गए मुकदमे कोतवाली कांड संख्या 570-19 में सभी मुद्दाले को पटना उच्च न्यायालय द्वारा बेल दिया जा चुका है, जबकि हुजूर ने ही डिसमिस किया है उनका बेल, जिसकी छाया प्रति इस आवेदन के साथ संलग्न कर रहा हूं.
जो बेल रिजेक्ट हुआ उसको लिखा है कि बेल
दे दिया है. जी दे दिया है, लिखा है दे दिया है, और सबको उनको एक्सोनरेट कर दिया, सबको बरी कर दिया.
इस केस में क्या हुआ है?
मेरे वाले केस में हुजूर, इस केस में तो नो कोर्सिव लगा हुआ है, अभी तो कुछ हुआ नहीं है हुजूर. और 379 के लिए हमको हुजूर ये कब का हमको मिला है नो कोर्सिव, समटाइम इन 19, और अभी आज तक ये चला आ रहा है 20 में, सॉरी 21 में, और ये आज तक चला आ रहा है सिर्फ 379 के लिए, जिसका मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट 3 साल है.
यस बोलिए.
हुजूर 4 केस को सप्रेस किए हुजूर, एंड द फर्स्ट केस व्हिच इज कोतवाली पीएस केस नंबर 2010-13 as has been stated my lords that a compromise petition has been filed but after passing of the order of this honorable court. That is on 10/3/2000.
4 cases you are saying, 4 cases have been suppressed.
Lordship. And in the first case, which is Kotwali PS case number 210/2013, my lord, mentioned at serial number 1, my lord, compromise petition has been filed, which has been brought on record, but after passing of the order of this honorable court.
What about other 3 cases? What about
in all the other cases, compromise has been done, but prior to the order, my lord. But in this case, in particular
those compromise have been allowed?
Lordship, that has been filed in the court below.
Offences have been compounded?
No, my lord, offences have not been compounded.
Cases are still pending?
Lordship, cases are still pending.
In reply of this, may I submit, Your Lordship? The cases was.
No, if the cases are still pending and you have not disclosed in paragraph 3, then in that case you have no option.
Your Lordship,
File a fresh application.
my Lord, may I submit one thing, Your Lordship? In
Yes.
reply of my learned friend's submission, Your Lordship, that Kotwali PS case number 2010 of 2013, in which the compromise was filed, Your Lordship, later on 10th of March 2020.
I'm not on whether compromise was filed or not. You have not correctly disclosed the criminal antecedent, paragraph 3.
Yes,
And my practice in this court is that if you have not disclosed correctly the criminal antecedents, I will either start a prosecution of the deponent for swearing false affidavit, or will give you an opportunity to withdraw this application and file a fresh application giving complete statement, true statement of the criminal antecedent.
then
You have to
may
choose
I
between
submit,
the
Your
two.
Lordship? Then till then protection may be granted. Otherwise, Your Lordship, पूरा family ये हुजूर ये इनको
देखिए,
Lord, the difficulty is this, Your Lordship, in spite of rejection of bail of this informant, Your Lordship, they all are moving freely, and they have, I can say, they have stolen
Have to
by
apply.
crores of diamond jewelry, Your Lordship.
you have to apply for the appropriate
Not for that, may I submit, may I pray, Your Lordship, I will again file a affidavit apology by making submission of apology, Your Lordship.
I am not at all considering the submission of apology. हमारा बिल्कुल सेटल्ड प्रैक्टिस है कि या तो आप फ्रेश फाइल करके, योर पनिशमेंट विल बी कि आपको जो ये अभी केस आपका टेकअप हो गया था और प्रोटेक्शन था वो सब समाप्त हो जाएगा, या फिर ये फॉल्स एफिडेविट के केसेस में आएंगे. 4 केसेस आप पर थे, आपने 9 डिक्लेयर किया और आप पर 13 केसेस.
जब 9 किए हुए तो 4 करने में हमको क्या दिक्कत था, ये उनके दिमाग से ही निकल गया.
इसी के लिए रूल
एक रिक्वेस्ट है हुजूर, देन लेट दिस
रूल
मैटर
तो
बी
इसी के लिए बनाया गया है ना.
yes of course, yes
ये
of
तो
course, Your
बात
Lordship,
रोज यही
and
होती
I'm
है
not
कि-
protecting my client on this issue, Your Lordship. May I submit, Your Lordship, let this matter be adjourned for today only, Your Lordship. I'll take instruction from my
Seek
client.
instruction.
जी.
Seek instruction
जी,
and
जी.
prepare second application.
एक छोटी सी गलती अगर वो जानते होते तो ऐसा कभी नहीं
कोई
करते,
गलती
उनके
नहीं
दिमाग
है.
में
ये
नहीं था.
देखिए, ये रैम्पेंट ये प्रैक्टिस चल पड़ा है, हड़बड़ी में भी होता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि पर्पसली ही हर लोग करेंगे, बट ये जो हो गया ना कि पैराग्राफ 3 में चलो कुछ भी लिख करके फाइल कर दिया.
इनके केस में हुजूर ऐसा है ना कि शी इज अ सोशल वर्कर, और जितने भी केसेस हैं आप देखिए सारे
I don't
फैमिली
know.
मेंबर्स एंड ऑल,
Whatever it is,
इतने सारे केसेस हैं
as per
कि
the
याद
High
नहीं
Court
है.
rules, the complete criminal antecedent should be
Even
disclosed in paragraph 3.
she is also not capable to remember कि भाई कितने केसेस मेरे लिए हैं, इनको
तब
कुछ
तो
भी
आप
नहीं याद है.
तब तो it is not a fit case for even grant of
Lordship, but
habeas.
all the cases due to the political effect.
ठीक.
Vale.